Hi guys, my name is Tara. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I will make salmon with veggie. I hope you guys watch and start making it at home. So this is Atlantic salmon. I'm gonna put first some salt, lemon pepper. Lemon pepper has pepper already, but I used a little bit more. And garlic powder. Now I seasoning my salmon, and let's go to the stove to cook it. I put the stove on a medium heat. Vegetable oil, just to cover the bottom of your pan. I leave it to be a little bit warm up, the oil in the pan. So you put the salmon face down. Okay. And I go chop my vegetables so I can cook it together. Broccoli here. You can use any veggie you like. I use broccoli, cauliflower, a sprout, mini bell pepper, that's the vegetable, zucchini, garlic also. One garlic clove is fine. You can put as much as you want. Here my salmon is cooking. While this cooking, I'm gonna cook the vegetable. Just a little bit oil to cover the bottom of your pan. Put the cauliflower first with my sprout. Then you add your broccoli. You can put all together now. Add a little bit black pepper. Salt. You can add mushroom, potatoes, any vegetables you like you can add to it. Okay, now I add a little bit fresh lemon juice. On the vegetables, I add a little bit of white wine vinegar, or you can add lemon juice. Okay, now I turn it over. Oh, looks beautiful. Now the salmon is ready. Now I'm making dressing for it. Garlic, sliced garlic, 2 cloves of garlic. I slice it. Then I have the cilantro. I'm gonna chop it in small pieces. Lemon juice. 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Pepper. Salt. Okay, this is ready. I will put on top of the salmon. Let's see how's the vegetable. The vegetable is cooked too. It's ready to serve. Okay? So this is our sauteed salmon and veggie. Okay, so you saw the beginning that how I made the salmon. So when the salmon is cooked completely, you can do in the same pan a little bit of sliced garlic, fresh lemon juice, and cilantro. Just cook it a little bit, salt and pepper, and put on top of the salmon when it's ready. It will taste really good. The cilantro, garlic, fresh lemon juice give a lot of flavor to salmon. So first I'm gonna try the salmon, see how my salmon came. Oh my God. Sorry, it tastes so good. I cannot stop eating it. You guys make it, please, at home. Very good food, delicious, tasty, healthy for your family. And if you watch my video, please hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you and see you next time. Bye.